Hello. I am Kirtana Devatha, and I'm super excited to be talking about my favorite project management system, and that's ClickUp. So, in this video, I'm going to give you a quick introduction to ClickUp. So, let's dive right in. So, this is a quick introduction to ClickUp and how easy it is to work from ClickUp. So, if you have a team and you're looking to have a useful project management system, my vote definitely goes to ClickUp. So in this preliminary beginner introduction video to ClickUp, I'm going to show you how this works and what to expect if you were to use ClickUp as your project management system. So once you log into ClickUp, this is how your dashboard looks. And here you see three things. You see favorites, you see spaces, you see dashboards, and you see docs. So dashboards, like the name suggests, is when you want dashboards. The main thing that we'll be using is spaces. So when you click on this, so the space is literally like the biggest folder in ClickUp. Above that is workspace. So each of this is a workspace, like this is ClickUp workspace. So workspace is your account on ClickUp. Spaces are within workspaces. So think of each of this as separate folders, like the main folder, drives rather, not even folders. So in this, like say this was, you're an agency and you're running client accounts. So you can just say agency name and clients. And when you click on it, you could have multiple folders within it. So what does each space contain? Each space you can add a new list, a new doc, a new folder, a new sprint folder. So the way I like to organize my client folders, this is an account which I just use for personal use, which is why you don't see it. But the best way to organize things is to set up a folder, give it a name. I'm going to say client A, for instance. Once you create client A's folder, then what I like to do is I like to add lists within the folder. And what I also like to do is I like to break it up into modular pieces. So say for instance, my agency is offering multiple services. We are offering PPC ads, we're offering Facebook ads, we're offering onboarding. So what I would do is I would essentially under this create an onboarding list, create a Facebook ads list, create a Google ads list. Because then what happens is I could share each of these lists to specific contractors if I'm working with contractors. So I'm making it as modular as possible. And that's the way you really arrange, your spaces within ClickUp. You could have boards, like here you see I just have a board, but if you have a client with multiple services, then I would recommend the modular method. And yeah, that's a quick introduction with ClickUp. And what you also see is you have different views. You have list, board, calendar, Gantt, timeline, activity. I like using list mostly. And the way things work in ClickUp is you can basically set statuses for a list, a folder. So you could list statuses. So right now it is whatever is part of the custom statuses. So if I were to say, for instance, cold emailing, I'm going to say in progress. What's going to happen is it's going to break out and it's going to look like this. And if you want to bring it back to do, it's going to look like this. And what's really cool about that is, so when I did in progress, you noticed how in progress came on top. And if this is something that irritates you, because it does me, I would go to group by status, click this out again, and basically say I want my arrangement to be to do, in progress, stuck, and things like that. So yeah, quick introduction. I hope you liked it. In the next videos, we're going to dig a little deeper as to what you can experience with each of the lists and how to explore ClickUp deeper. Thank you.